Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix voicemail not working on iPhone after iOS 18 update without wasting any time. Let's start this video. Solution number 1: enable airplane mode and disable it. Tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Airplane mode toggle on and 10 to 20 seconds back toggle off, and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying this solution number 2. Solution number 2 is disable call forwarding. Tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on apps. Scroll up, tap on phone. If these features is turn it on, turn it off, and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying this solution number 3. Solution number 3 is force close phone app and you open it, and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying this solution number 4. Solution number 4 is turn off and cellular data. Sometimes it works, then you turn off and on cellular data. You can do this via settings app or control center, and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying this solution number 5. Solution number 5 is reboot your iPhone. You can see appears on screen. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button, and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, and release the power button and wait 5 to 10 seconds, and restarting your iPhone, and problem is fixed. If solution number 5 is not working, now applying this solution number 6. Solution number 6 is call your voicemail directly. Open the phone app, select keypad tab, press and hold the number 1 for few seconds. Now it will call your voicemail and you can check it here, and problem is fixed. If solution number 6 is not working, now applying this solution number 7. Solution number 7 is turn on set automatically for date and time. Tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Tap on general, scroll up, tap on date and time. If date and time is wrong, set them, then turn on set automatically, and problem is fixed. If solution number 7 is not working, now applying this solution number 8. Solution number 8 is reset network settings. Tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Tap on general, scroll up, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset setting, tap on reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode. You can see appears on screen. Reset network settings. This will delete all network settings, returning them to factory defaults. Tap on reset network settings to confirm this action, and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact with support.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix voicemail not working on iPhone after iOS 18 update successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.